Whenever I go to South Padre Island, I find the cheapest hotel that still has a beach access path. For me, the best part of South Padre is the year-round warm water coupled with a semi-private beach.
Nomads, and welcome to an early morning here at South Padre Island, Texas. I've come for a few days now that I'm feeling much healthier from my illness, and I'm just enjoying a very relaxing recovery with the beach and the waves. I got up extra early this morning to catch the sunrise, but as you can see, it's very cloudy, so no sunrise, but it's still really great to be here with my morning coffee and the waves and just relaxing. So despite the fact that no one else is going in the water, I went in the water, and it's actually perfect. It's cool, but it's not colder than any pools I've ever been in. And the waves look strong from the shore, but once you're in there, they're just perfect to feel bouncy but not in danger. And although I saw all the jellyfish on the beach, I didn't encounter any. So it's like every time I go to the beach, I always question whether or not I should go in the water, but I'm always thankful I did. It's always worth it. And then there was a point where I'm floating on the waves, enjoying the whole experience, and then this flock of birds flew above me. It was really magical. So right now with the holidays, Omicron variant is running rampant, and so we're just avoiding doing anything indoors and dining indoors. But there's plenty of delicious food on the island you want to take advantage of. Two of my favorites are the Gulf shrimp, which are just delicious here, and the oysters, which are super big because the Gulf water is so warm. For lunch, my mom and I got some grilled shrimp, which are even more delicious when it has that grilled flavor, and some fried oysters from our favorite restaurant, Dirty Owls. Relaxing trip to South Padre is coming to an end, but we wanted to stop for something to eat on the way out, and everything on the island is super crowded. So we've come just across the bridge to a place called Pirates Landing, which is an institution that's been here forever, and they have this really nice outdoor seating with a view of the bridge and the island in the distance, and a huge menu of all sorts of seafood favorites. We got oysters on a half shell and a salad called crab louis, which is basically like a Cobb salad but with fresh crab on it. The food comes with these fresh biscuits that smell so good.
And they're so delicious.
They're real buttery. They're like Popeye's biscuits but more buttery. things me and my mom never miss when we come to the island is some fresh Gulf oysters. Mmm. Fishy. This salad is like a cross between a wedge salad and a Cobb salad because it has all these fresh ingredients like boiled egg, olive, and crab, but it also has this big half a head of lettuce. Very good. Saw that they were giving pirate hats to all the children, so I asked for one of my own. Well, I hope you've enjoyed chilling on South Padre Island with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my travels as I get even healthier, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!